So the average weekend gain since the ETFs have launched, everybody, is 2.45%. So you could blindly buy Bitcoin on a Friday before the market closes, sell it on Monday when the market opens. You will make, on average, $1,400 to $1,500 on that trade per Bitcoin. 2.5% in 3 days. Not bad, not bad. I just thought that was a fun little pattern. We'll see if it continues. Model is built. It's automatically fed. So we'll be able to refer to this every week now as well as another excerpt too. So thank you all for coming. I'll be back in a couple of hours with some other good, interesting stuff. And crazy things happen this week. Super exciting week. Thank you all for coming. I don't think I've ever had nearly 7,500 people watching live on a Saturday morning. Appreciate you all for coming. Hit the like on the way out so people can get this message. They have 13 days left to get a little piece of Bitcoin because we know after, crazy things are going to happen. It's just supply and demand. Thank you as well to the mods in the chat. I'll see you all later. Bye-bye.